Chapter 4, Weather and Climate. Can you tell the weather condition of few places in India are as follows on 10 June? Use the table to answer the question. Serial number 1, Kochi, Kerala, 12:30 p.m. cloudy. Serial number 2, Bhopal, MP, 12:30 p.m. hot and summer, sunny. Serial number 3, Mussoorie, Uttarakhand, 12:30 p.m. cold weather, mild sun. Point 1. In which place will the cloth on the clothesline dry quickly? Why? Point 2. In which place will they dry slowly? Why? Point 3. Will the atmospheric condition at these places always remain the same or will they change? Explanation. The weather condition at each of the place given below are different on 10 June. Kochi has cloudy weather. It means there is little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. Hence, it will take a long time for these clothes to dry. You may have observed a similar situation in your place during the rainy season. At Bhopal, there is hot sun. The water in the wet cloth get converted into vapor quickly and the cloth will dry within a short time. Missouri is located on the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives less solar heat. The air there is cooled too due to its location on the mountain. Clothes take longer to dry here because of medium of heat and cool air. Factor like heat, moisture, and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. However, these conditions keep on changing. We always experience such changes. Point 1. It was cold in the morning. Point 2. In the afternoon it became sultry. Point 3. It rained suddenly in the afternoon. Point 4. Cool breeze was blowing at dawn. Point 5. Cloud gathered in the evening. Point 6. The night sky was full of star and pleasant breeze was blowing. Weather. We all have experienced atmospheric conditions prevailing at a place and given at a given time. We often talk about it because these conditions are short lived. This is what we call weather. For example, we say weather is hot, cool, dry, sultry, etc. Since childhood, we have experienced summer, rainy season, and winter. On the basis of experience, answer the following question. Point 1. In which month do summer, the rainy season, and winter occur in a year from January to December? Show it in a chart. Point 2. Which special cloth do we use if it is raining? Point 3. When do we use woolen clothes? Point 4. In which season do we mainly use thin clothes, thin cotton clothes? Explanation. Climate. You must have noticed that each season lasts for particular period and each season occurs at particular time of the year. The scientists observe the weather in a region for many years. With the help of such studies, they define the mean weather condition, the average weather condition of place observed over long period of time is the climate that of that region. Climate is generally expressed as cool and dry or hot and humid or hot and dry etc. The weather changes quite often due to changes in temperature, wind and humidity etc. We always experience these changes. A sum total of all these elements define weather. These affect our day-to-day activities and lifestyle. Elements of weather are taken into consideration. while describing the climate. Element of weather: temperature. The earth surface get heat from the sun. As a result, the surface get heated up and air close to the surface start becoming hot, and later, one by one, different layer of air at higher elevation receive heat. Therefore, as we move up from sea level, the temperature of air decreases. The temperature also goes on increasing from equator towards the pole. Air pressure. Air has weight. As a result, it creates pressure. It is called air pressure. The lowermost layer of air gets subjected to the pressure of the upper layer, hence, the density of lower layer of air increases. This is greater air pressure near surface of the earth, and it decreases with the increasing height. This is vertical air pressure. These changes occur in horizontal manner. This give rise to winds. Winds. Air start moving from high pressure towards low pressure area in a horizontal direction. This moving air is called wind. Wind blows from low high to low pressure areas, and its speed depend on the amount of difference in the air pressure. Moisture. The atmosphere contains various the atmosphere contain vapor. The air that has greater amount of vapor is called humid air. The humidity in the atmosphere is called moisture. The proportion of moisture in the atmosphere depend on the temperature. Air with higher temperature holds greater amount of moisture. Precipitation. Vapor in the atmosphere condenses into water droplet or snow particle. Their showering on the earth, their showering on the earth is called precipitation. Rainfall, snowfall, hailstorm, etc. are form of precipitation. Weather is described on the basis of conditions prevailing at given time, while climate is describing on the basis of condition prevailing over long period of time. Weather keep changing frequently, and we experience the changes easily. Changes in the climate take place over a long period of time. These are not perceived easily. Latitudinal position, high above sea level, nearness to ocean, oceanic current, etc., are the factors that influence climate. Beside these, mountain ranges, type of land, local wind are other factors that influence the climate of a region. Use your brain power. Which occupation will you practice in cold region? Which occupation you will practice in hot region? In the next chapter, we shall seek more information about temperature. Always remember, the weather at place keep changing frequently, but climate does not change that often. The climate is different at different location. Whether within our country, India, it is cool at some place and hot at some other place. It may be humid in some area and dry in other. Do you know the climate affects the entire living world in different ways? Life mostly thrives in region which have conductive climate. The climate also influences the diet, shelter, etc. of living thing. The distribution of water on the earth is also controlling factor of the climate. I can do this. Describe the weather of surrounding areas. Understand the changes taking place in the weather from time to time. Point 3. Discuss the changes in climate concentration of element in the weather. Point 4. Explain the difference between weather and climate.